For the sake of her children, the mother leopard made a bold and well-thought-out decision. She chose to lie in wait on a high branch, overlooking below, and patiently waited. Eventually, a herd of impalas appeared. When a few male antelopes came beneath the tree, she sprang out like a lightning bolt, leaping from several meters high and landing precisely on the prey's back, sinking her sharp teeth into its mouth and nose. In the end, her efforts paid off. This hard-earned meal would sustain them for the next few days, allowing mother and cubs to rest and gather strength.